even walkers.
Hello?
Ma, guess what?
What?
Our TikTok went viral. We're on TV.
Oh my god, you must be kidding me. Congratulations, my girl. What channel is it?
It's on CNN.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody.
I'm famous now. Hey guys, welcome back. And for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I am TikTok famous. I have to stop saying that, but you know, when you do something, you should be proud of it, no matter how small it is. So I'm really proud of this, so that's why I wanted to share it. I've shared it all over my social media platforms, except for YouTube. So I was like, why not like talk about it? To you guys about when I went viral, how it happened, what tips I can give you from it. And you know, a lot of people ask me like, now what? Like, have companies reached out to you? Are you like making money? So please don't knock my frame. So I really want to answer all those questions, so stay tuned for that. But before that, don't forget to hit that big red button down below to join this amazing community, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so if you don't know what TikTok is a social media platform. You do like 15 to 60-second videos of pretty much anything. We have people dancing, we have people taking pictures, we have comedians, we have people doing pet stuff, like everything possible. That's what you do. And the funniest thing is, I was just talking about TikTok way before like my video blew up, and I was like, I love TikTok. It's so easy. You don't really have to edit, not like YouTube. You like just put up any video that you can think of, and 1, 2, 3, it's up and everyone can see it. So that's why I like kept uploading. I don't have a lot of videos on there, but before I did the one video that went viral, I did only have about 200 followers. Then I did this challenge, which if you don't know what it is, it's flip the switch. I did it with my grandma. Basically, you just go in the bathroom. I don't know why they chose the bathroom, but that's why everyone does. And I was like, okay, let's go, grandma. And you usually do it with your boyfriend. That's what I saw a lot of people do, is do it with their boyfriend. And I wanted to be different, so that's why I did it with my grandma. And I had this dress on. It had a little slang. I don't want to curse, but it said no F boys. And she had her regular clothes with her little walker, and we decided to switch. So it blew up in one day. I had over 1 million views, and I was like, holy crap, like I'm famous, you know? And that was just with the video, just on TikTok. Then I was sharing it everywhere, telling people, and then people were like, oh my God, I seen it on Twitter. Oh, I saw it on Snapchat. Oh, I saw it here, there. So I started finding them everywhere. And when I added it to Instagram, it blew up on there too. I started on Instagram like about 9,000 followers. I just hit 9,000. And once the video went up and was going viral, I am now at 10.8 thousand, which 10,000 was my goal of the year. So to reach that in like a few weeks after I said it was my goal is pretty awesome. But on TikTok, I started at 200, and once the video blew up and stuff, now I'm at 22,000. So I thought I was famous. I was like, holy crap, it's everywhere. Everyone sees it. Then one day I was at Target and someone recognized me at Target. I was like, seriously? They didn't ask for a picture, so I'm not that famous. But I mean, she still recognized me. So I was like, holy crap, like, I'm famous. And then I was like chilled out. I didn't even think about it. Then we reached 2 million. And then after that, we were on CNN, HLNN, we were on ABC News. We were like on all the local channels just because everyone picked it up. Mainly because it was like a politician, she did it, and that's why like they chose ours, because it was like so like famous, I guess, and so different, which was really cool. And I showed my grandma the video that it was on TV, and this was her reaction. It was super cute. Mamá, mira la televisión. Mira. ¿Quién es esa? Sí, tú estás en la televisión, estás famosa, mamá. So my heart melted. She was so happy. Originally, when it went up to 1 million views, I told her, I was like, Grandma, we made it to 1 million views. Are you happy? Like, we're famous. And she was like, are you happy? And I was like, yeah. She was like, so I'm happy. So like, my grandma's awesome. She's an awesome person with a great heart. For those of you that don't know, she does have dementia, so she does like forget a lot. So that's really hard to deal with. But I remind her every day, like, Grandma, you're famous. Don't forget it, you know. Pretty much sums, you know, of it going viral. Everyone's seen it everywhere. It just like blew up and really grew my other social media platforms. A lot of people don't realize like the algorithm on TikTok is amazing. Like you have to take advantage of it right now, you know? And the thing is, yes, I did the one viral video, so people are like, how did you do it? Like honestly, it was trending and I just thought of doing it because it's trending, but out of the box. So if you're gonna do something that's like a challenge and it's trending, do it ASAP, but don't do it like everyone else. Do it differently, because it will like stand out. I'm telling you, like you don't have to do it with your grandma, do it with anyone, you know, whatever it is. Like just think like, okay, everyone's doing it this way, let me do it the other way. And I'm telling you, the results will show. And don't give up. TikTok is really fun, like I said, so don't just think you're gonna go and like get a viral video 1, 2, 3. Like it took me a couple to really get on the groove of things. And now a lot of people are asking me like, do you make money off of it? So on TikTok, basically just like Instagram, just like YouTube, you know, companies will reach out to you so you can post or make a video with their merchandise or something you're wearing. And then that's how that goes, just like any other platform. So yes, you can make money off of TikTok. And now I don't want you to be like, did I just watch this video, her bragging about herself? Well, I just wanted to give you a little update on what was going on and who I am now. But I also wanted to let you guys know, like, don't give up. You know, my goal for this year was to reach 10K on Instagram, and I did that within 2 weeks of saying it was gonna be my goal of the year. And also on TikTok, like it just blew up. So just keep going, keep marketing yourself, tell everyone, share the links to everyone, and just like have fun, be creative and be yourself. Don't try to be like everybody else, because that's like whack. So be yourself, just like you would do here on YouTube or on Instagram. You know, someone doesn't just want to see the same thing. They want to see a little flair, you know? So please, please, please follow those tips. But I really hope you guys have a great day. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.